In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an item column name on Monday.com, a task management and team collaboration tool that's beloved by teams big and small for its flexibility and intuitive design. If you're ready, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the simple yet essential process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your boards. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll find your way to the dashboard where you typically manage all your tasks and projects. Familiarity with this space helps streamline workflow management, aiding the optimization of your daily organizational activities. Next, you'll need to locate the specific board related to the task you want to modify. For today, we'll focus on the task board. Visualize your task area. It's where you can see columns which represent various parts of the task, such as status, due date, and more. This is the area you'll make changes to enhance clarity in your project tracking. Click on the task board, and as it opens, you'll immediately see your columns right there in front of you. Now let's tackle renaming the item column. Find the column header that needs a new name. Once you have selected the column, hover over it. You'll notice an editable field or a prompt that allows you to rename the column. This feature is particularly beneficial when project requirements change and the headers need to reflect those changes accurately for all team members. Click on that editable area and simply type in the new name you've decided on. Renaming columns allow you and your team to stay aligned, making sure everyone understands the purpose and context of the tasks better. It significantly helps with the adaptability of your workflow. Each name change can potentially reflect a shift in strategies or priorities. It's a common occurrence as projects evolve. Once you're satisfied with the new name, ensure it's spelled correctly and is precise enough to convey exactly what the column is for. Precise naming conventions can reduce confusion and maximize productivity among team members. And voila, you're done! The column now has a brand new name. Keeping column names updated and relevant is a great practice in maintaining organizational clarity. It provides team members with the right context, making project management more efficient and more collaborative. Remember to regularly review these names to ensure they align with project goals and priorities, allowing your team to move in the right direction seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any other questions or need further assistance with Monday.com. Happy organizing, and until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.